You can be happy while you are still in a karmic relationship. It is a misconception that you must step out of that relationship in order to find happiness. That relationship came into your life for a reason, else you wouldn't be in it in the first place, right? Until you don't see the relationship for what it is, pattern for what it is, and why it exists in your life, you will continue to feel stuck. We are told to cut cords, clear the energy, journal it out, do the inner work, and let that person go, and to just let it all go. But cord cutting or chakra cleansing is not some sort of a magic trick or a magic pill that is going to fix everything. It's only hygiene. It is basic hygiene, like how you take a shower every day. If it was a magic pill, then we would all feel liberated by now, no? There's a difference between healing and feeling liberated, free of all these ties. Let's understand that. Because I've heard this so many times, especially very recently, all the sessions that have been going around on the internet. I did the cord cutting, I do the chakra work, I journaled, I meditated, I practiced forgiveness, but still nothing is shifting. Because nothing will shift until you understand what that relationship is here to teach you. That is what changed my life. Karmic healing did change my life. It really did, but not in the way that you think it did. It was not by spiritual bypassing, but doing the real deep inner work. And it didn't just help me with my relationship with others, it helped me with my relationship with myself. Until we don't release the guilt that we are carrying, the resentment, the past hurt that we are carrying, all of these lower emotions, these are what keep pulling us down and keep us stuck, and the patterns keep repeating. If not in this relationship, it will happen in the next one. Until you see it for what it is. Your repeating patterns are stemming from those lower emotions that you have been carrying for a long time. And if just one session of cord cutting or energy cleansing or chakra balancing could clear that, awesome. But if not, then there's something deeper happening. So this is what I want to talk to you about in my upcoming masterclass. It is not healing fluff. It is not fake positivity. It is the real stuff, and it is free. So come and join. You don't have to leave that relationship to be free, but you have to see it very clearly for what it is and why it exists in your life. I'm leaving a link here for you to register.